Let me show you how to create this letter portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. You can download the images in the description down below to follow along. In this tutorial, I will begin by creating an image with Midjourney. You have two options. You can visit midjourney.com and create your own image, or you can download the image I generated. The link to download the image is provided in the description. By typing, "Imagine cute little puma with hoodie, white background," you can produce an image of the same style. If the result meets your satisfaction, all you need to do is download the image to your computer. Now, let's dive into Photoshop. Select the text tool. Pick a color for your text. I am using Collective. Download link in the description. Press Ctrl T and scale the letter like so. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl A. Center your letter. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Open the Puma image. Choose Quick Selection tool and click on Select Subject. Press Ctrl J and bring the cub to your main project. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T and adjust the image size and position. Right-click and choose Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the image. Add a layer mask. Right-click on Text Layer and choose Select Pixels. Go to Select and choose Inverse. Select the layer mask. Press B to select the brush tool. Resize the brush if needed. Select a hard round brush. Make sure the foreground color is set to black and follow the process. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Right-click on the text layer and choose Blending Options. Choose Stroke and follow these settings. Choose Inner Shadow and follow these settings. Create a new layer. Name it Shadow. Press B and select a soft round brush. Sample a color. Add some shadow to the puma. Select the bottom layer and create a solid color adjustment layer. Follow the process. Create a new layer. Press B to select the brush tool and pick a light color. Click once in the center of the canvas. To finish your design, add your text. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also, check out other videos on my channel. Thank you for your support.